1964 Pontiac GTO Convertible. Tri-power, let's see, what do we got here? 389, oh nice. It's got tri-power, it's an automatic transmission, 3-speed. And guess what? It's convertible. We'll have to take that down and make sure it works. Great looking car, beautiful blue with the chrome, looks nice. It's got the Redline wheels. I just love this car. It's a GTO. It's a wonderful vehicle, and it's a big vehicle, and it's a convertible, and it's a summertime, Jake, and God knows it's hot here in St. Louis, so why don't we take it for a quick spin, see if the top works, do all that good stuff. Sound good?
Sounds good.
Well, we don't want to heat.
What, inside?
Okay, that's how it said it back then.
It's blowing.
Should I put the windows up, Jake? I'm not opposed to it, because you know we can hear each other better, and it won't be 3,000 degrees. We don't really get a lot of this AC action sometimes.
And it's actually getting kind of cold.
It is. It's getting kind of hectic and a little cold. Thank goodness. Love a big wooden wheel. We're missing something here, and by God, we'll get that fixed. That's easy. That's an easy fix. Well, this is a big, beautiful car. Shall I let the Mustang go ahead of me? Sure, I should.
It's an electronical top, isn't it?
Oh, I believe it does run on electricity there, Jake, but we're going to find out, aren't we? Ah, we got a signal. Wow.
Well, it sounds good.
Sounds great, actually. You know, it's not hitch in the head cutoffs. It's really subdued. It sounds like a muscle car, too. Wonderful sound. Wow, it sounds great. Tri-power 389. Gotta love it. Oh, this is nice. You know, just getting out of the car we just got out of, Jake, this is a pleasant surprise. And wow, it's getting really nice and cool in here. Feeling it?
I am feeling it.
Oh, I'm loving this. I love AC, Jake. I'm a big fan. Maybe it's because I'm old. Maybe it's because I'm fat. Maybe it's because I'm old and fat, but I like AC, and I do like a convertible. But when it's hot like this, buddy, we can take the top down when we get back, but let's just drive with the top up. It's a lot easier on all of us. Wow. This is a nice car. I like the chrome. I like the blue. I don't like all the black accent pieces they're putting everywhere. I like the chrome. I like a 1964 car with chrome. And, you know, it really is comfortable. The bucket seats are nice. Everything's laid out real nice. It's a good car. And you'll notice the ignition. Love it over there. It's on there. Show it.
I can see it.
You got it.
I really like this color, too. It's the blue. This is awesome.
It's period. You know, it's 1960s early, you know, it's just nice.
And it's not a boring black top.
No.
It's a dark blue top to go with your blue paint.
Yes.
And it also goes with your dark blue interior, which I think is just awesome.
I do too. I like the midnight blue color. Oh, and look at this at the stoplight. Nice. Good brakes. Really good. And then just... Oh, it takes off nice too. Whew. It's a humdinger. Oh, come on, Mr. Plymouth van. Pull right in front of me, why don't you? I'm changing the subject, Jake. Shifts real nice. Wow.
You got to at the stop sign.
Man, just I didn't jam on it. I don't jam on these cars. I just don't. Too much respect for them, but good God, it scoots. I love it. Oh, there's our shade trees, Jake. Wow, these brakes are fantastic. So, we should probably learn how to do things here, Jake.
So top, again, latch on either side.
Yep.
Got yours already.
There it is, Jake. It is an electric top. Electricity.
Electronical top. Would you look at that?
Got to love the electronical top, don't you, Jake? Jake, I think I should drive it. Straight line. bad boy back.
I would like to drive this back.
I knew you would. It's a fun one. You're going to enjoy it. All right, here we go. Does this not drive nice or what?
It drives incredible.
More 360 cam, Jake. More 360 cam.
Where do you want to park this?
If we can get it right back in here, that'd be great. Maybe let Austin square it up.